So you have this idea and you're really excited about it. But when someone asks, what do you do? Your brain glitches or you start explaining everything, your backstory, your process, your vision, hoping they catch on. And that's usually where the conversation ends. If people don't understand what you do, they won't buy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to explain what you do in a way people instantly get, and I'll give you a quick 4-question proof before product check you can use right away. Most of us start with the offer. We lead with, I sell this, I'm building that, I'm watching a program. But if you can't clearly name the problem you solve, people can't place you in their brain and they won't buy. Features don't make people move, pain and outcomes do. I learned this the hard way. I used to say I sell eco-friendly products for health-conscious consumers. It sounded nice, but it also sounded like everyone else. And let's be clear, eco-friendly wasn't the reason my customers were searching. What they were actually saying was, my skin reacts to everything. My home never feels peaceful. I'm tired of products that make things worse. My products didn't really move until I stopped leading with what I made and started leading with what I solved. So here's the difference. Before I would say, I sell eco-friendly soap. Now I say I help people with sensitive skin find soap that doesn't leave their skin irritated. Same product, completely different clarity. When people hear themselves in your message, they lean in. If they don't, they drift. Before you build anything else, do this proof before product check. Talk to 3 people you actually want to serve and ask, what's frustrating you right now? That's your headline. What are you trying to fix or avoid? That's the outcome your offer should promise. What have you already tried? That tells you what didn't work and how you need to be different. If something solved your pain point, what would it be worth to you? That's your reality check, because would this help is nice, but value tells the truth. Pay attention to their exact words. Their responses are marketing gold. When you can explain someone's problem clearly, your offer stops sounding like a nice idea and starts sounding like the next step. Building a business is hard enough. Don't make it harder by guessing. Start with the problem and let that guide everything. I linked the proof before product resource below. In the comment section, drop your 1-sentence problem statement. I help blank who are blank so they can blank. At Mission Meets Market, we build with purpose, clarity, and confidence, one intentional step at a time. In the next session, we'll talk about why people say they're interested, but still don't buy, and what to do about it.